Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got an unboxing video. The box this particular item came in is kind of oddly shaped, and so I already opened it up enough to where I could get it on video actually opening the rest of the box. This box was taped together, so didn't want to fumble with it on the camera while I was trying to unbox it. So we'll go ahead and open it up the rest of the way. There's the item. So, let's see, wrapped up in bubble wrap, but you can probably see Bluebird. So this is something I'm pretty excited about. The interesting thing is about this emblem is I had literally just been thinking about this particular emblem before it popped up on eBay. So this emblem is pretty interesting. This is a Bluebird Midwest emblem, and it looks to be wrapped still, like it's obviously never been on a bus, but you can see it is still wrapped, like this has never even been opened. So that's pretty cool. But I've seen this emblem on one bus prior to this one. It was on a bus that was at Mike and B's, but this is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this is a dealer plate for Bluebird Midwest, and it says Conkey, Illinois. I could be wrong on the pronunciation of that, but if I am, forgive me. And then it's got the phone number. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. Just not something you see very often. And I don't know. I didn't get it off the bus that was at Mike and B's, so I figured, which honestly, when I was looking at the bus, because I took pictures of it, obviously, but when I was looking at the one that was on the bus at Mike and B's in my pictures, I was thinking, man, I should have tried to get that, because I don't know that I'll ever come across one of those again. But then not too long after that, this popped up on eBay. So I went ahead and picked it up because, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's not something you see very often. I did not realize this was completely wrapped in the original, like, wrapping. So I might just go ahead and leave that on there, honestly, to protect it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah.